Hello guys, welcome to Teki Meki. So guys, today I'm going to show you very interesting thing. This is a three-piece boat. I made this specially for those persons who really like to do boating and want to bring their boat in a car, so they can use this design and they can put all piece together in your car and you can bring it anywhere. If you want to know more about this design, I can make a full video. If you are really interested, you tell me. I will make a full video. So guys, you just comment below that do you want to see a full video on this design and this making of this boat. I will make it ready. So for now, you can say I can I always say bye bye.